At Interpack 2026, IMA Group is driving attendees on a journey through an entire pavilion, transforming into a living, breathing expression of what the group calls cognitive manufacturing. Across more than 4,500 square meters and 38 machines in live emotion, attendees can enjoy a connected experience designed around people, performance, and possibility. IMA Pharma is the all-in-one supplier for the processing and packaging of pharmaceutical products. What is the latest innovation in this field?
At the moment, we are in front of our Injecta 36. Injecta is a family of machines that starting from small to large batch of production of vial and prefilled syringes. In this case, the machine is configured for high-speed prefilled syringe production with a speed that can touch 36,000 syringes per hour. It's a machine designed to be in combination for all-in-one scenario, where IMA Pharma can provide, for example, both the solution for fill finish in aseptic condition and also the assembly of pen or auto-injector in combination with our MED-TECH division. So this machine can be suitable, for example, for large batches, 1 million or more syringes per batch, for example, in the scenario of production of GLP-1 based drugs. And we have multiple customers using for that reason this machine.
IMA MED-TECH is the specialized division in advanced assembly and handling solutions for a wide range of medical devices. What are IMA's most recent technologies in this area?
So our newest technology is about the magnetic transfer. It means that the parts come from a mover, from a station to another station on a mover, and it's directly on this magnetic rail. This allows us to gather all the different parts together within the same process, make it quicker, and then have a very precise positioning on the parts. And at the end, you get a very flexible solution with a very short assembly time, which allows us to have a better production of this device.